Om Guru Ram Namaste. Good afternoon all of you, my dear first class students. We are discussing about money. From your course book, page number 38. See, buying and receiving. Buying and receiving. See here, this is the toy store. So number of toys are there in the toy store. So here let us learn. Let us learn how much change you should get from the shopkeeper. See here, listen carefully. When you buy a toy for 6 rupees, when you buy a toy for 6 rupees, this is the cost of toy, 6 rupees. 6 రూపాయలకు నువ్వు ఒక టాయ్ని బై చేసావు, కొన్నావు. And gave the shopkeeper 10 rupees. Shopkeeper కి ఎంత ఇచ్చావు? So you can give to the shopkeeper, so 10 rupees better. 10 rupees. And he gives you back a change of 4 rupees. Means this is the cost of toy, 6 rupees. So we can give 10 rupees to the shopkeeper, and also the shopkeeper given back to you. So here 10 rupees minus 6 rupees. This is the cost of toy, 6 rupees. 10 minus 6, you can get 4. How many rupees? You back change 4 rupees. The shopkeeper given amount of money to you 4 rupees. See here, you had 10 rupees. నీ దగ్గర 10 రూపాయలు ఉన్నాయి. Then you went to a shop and buy a one toy. ఒక టాయ్ని నువ్వు కొన్నావు. దాని యొక్క కాస్ట్ ఎంత? 6 rupees. 6 rupees. Then you people are giving 10 rupees to the shopkeeper. Shopkeeper కు మీరు 10 రూపాయలు ఇచ్చాడు. Then the shopkeeper return money to you people. How much? That is 4 rupees. 4 rupees. Then here, listen, some of the toys are given here and also their cost. So this is the flight. So that is helicopter 8 rupees, lorry 3 rupees, car 5 rupees, tractor 2 rupees, bicycle 2 rupees also, and this is tipper 5 rupees. Next this is the long wheels lorry 2 rupees, and here one car is there, sports car, that is 4 rupees, and bike 1 rupee. Next aeroplane 4 rupees, and royal 6 rupees, and this is the bus 3 rupees. See here, this is the page number 39. Imagine you have a toy shop. Imagine you have a toy shop. నీకు ఒక టాయ్ షాప్ ఉంటే kids have come to buy toys. Kids have come to buy toys. They buy 2 toys each. They buy 2 toys each. ఒక్కొక్కరు 2 బొమ్మలు కొనుక్కున్నారు and give you 10 rupees. నీకు ఒక 10 రూపాయలు ఇచ్చారు. How much change will you give them back? మిగతా తిరిగి వాళ్ళకి నీవు ఎంత ఇస్తావు? How much money paid back to kids? See here, first one is one long wheel lorry and bike. See, the cost of long wheel lorry 2 rupees beta. Everybody write down. So 2 rupees plus the cost of bike 1 rupee. See here, 2 rupee plus 1 rupee, 2 plus 1, you can get 3 rupees. Now see, he gave 10 rupees to the shopkeeper. How much given? So 10 rupees given. Then how much return back? See beta, minus. So 2 plus 1, 3. This is 3 rupees. Then 10 minus 3, you can get 7. So he gives you back a change of 7 rupees. 7 rupees. Now next one, see, this is, everybody write down. See, 2 rupees plus 1 rupee, that is 3 rupees. So 10 minus 3, you can get 7 rupees. Now next one here aeroplane and bicycle. See here the cost of aeroplane 4 rupees plus the cost of bicycle, these are the toys, 2 rupees. See here 4 plus 2 you can get 6 rupees beta. Then see, so you can give 10 rupees to the shopkeeper. So and how much return? See here 10 rupees minus 6 rupees. 10 minus 6 you can get 4 rupees beta. Next one is second row, first one. So bus and lorry. The cost of bus 3 rupees beta. The cost of car, so 4 rupees beta. So 3 plus 4 you can get 7. The total cost of lorry, bus and car, that is cost to 7 rupees. So how much given to you? 10 rupees. So 10 minus 7. 10 minus 7 you can get 3. You can get 3. So the shopkeeper return the amount of money that is cost to 3 rupees. Did you understand? So he gives you back a change 3 rupees. 3 rupees. Next one is second row, second one. Rail and aeroplane. The cost of rail, that is 6 rupees beta. Now plus the cost of aeroplane 4 rupees. So 6 plus 4 you can get 10 rupees beta. Now 10 minus 10. See here how much money you back a change. See, there is no money. 10 minus 10 you can get 0. 0 rupees. There is no rupees. Now next one is next the cost of sports car and aeroplane. The cost of sports car 4 rupees plus the cost of aeroplane also 4 rupees. So 4 plus 4 you can get 8 rupees. How much money did you get back? So 10 minus 8 you can get 2 rupees back. 10 rupees minus 8 rupees you can get back 2 rupees. Now next, third row, second one. The cost of helicopter 8 rupees plus the cost of tractor 2 rupees. So 8 plus 2 you can get 10 rupees. So return back there is no rupees. 10 minus 10 you can get 0. 10 minus 10. So 0 rupees. There is no remaining amount of money. Now next, fourth row, first one. The cost of car 4 rupees beta plus the cost of bicycle 2 rupees beta. So 4 plus 2 you can get 6 rupees nana. So how much amount return back? 10 minus 6. So you can get 4 rupees beta. Next, fourth row, second one, truck and lorry. See here, the cost of truck 5 rupees plus the cost of lorry 3 rupees beta. So 5 plus 3 you can get 8 rupees. So how much given money to the shopkeeper? 10 rupees. But here the shopkeeper returned money to you people. So 10 minus 8 you can get 2 rupees. You can get back 2 rupees. See here, everybody open your workbook. Everybody open your workbook beta. Grade 1 volume 2 workbook. See here, grade 1 that is class volume 2 workbook beta. See, listen carefully, page number 22. See here. Draw the coins on the money boxes. Use 1 rupee, 2 rupee, 5 rupee and 10 rupee coins. One is done for you. See here. First one is 12 rupees. 12 rupees means you can draw 10 rupees coin and 2 rupees coin. Next you can draw 20 rupees. So 20 rupees means you can draw how many? So 10 rupees coins 2. That is possible. So 10 plus 10 you can get 20 beta. 10 plus 10 you can get 20. See here. See here. Just like only everybody draw. Now next 16 rupees. 16 rupees means 10 rupees plus 5 rupees plus 1 rupees. This is also correct. See here, 10 rupees, 5 rupees, 1 rupee. Next 18.
ఏంటిది క్యామ్ ఉందా డైరెక్ట్ Next 11 rupees.
11 rupees means 5 rupees. Two kinds of 5 rupees. 1 rupee coin. 5 plus 5, 10. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. Next 30. Thirteen means 10 rupees coin 1, 2 rupees coin 1, 1 rupee coin 1. 10 plus 2, 12 plus 1, 13 beta. Rupees means 5 rupees coin 2. Five plus 5, 10 rupees. Everybody draw this like only. See 20 rupees means you have to take 10 rupees coins 2. 16 rupees means you have to take 3 coins. One is 10 rupee. Next one is 5 rupee. Next one is 1 rupee. So now next 18 rupees means 5 rupees coin, 10 rupees coin, 1 rupee coin, 2 rupee coin. 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 1, 8, 8 plus 10, 18. Next 11 means 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 1, 11 rupees. 13, so 10 rupees coin, 2 rupee coin, 1 rupee coin. Did you understand? Like that only you can do. 10 rupees means 5 rupees coin, 5 rupees coin. So 5 plus 5, 10. Next 19 rupees. 10 rupees coin, 5 rupees coin, 10 plus 5, 15. 10 plus 2, 10 plus 17 plus 10 rupees, 5 rupees, 2 rupees. See 19 rupees means 10 rupees plus 5 rupees, 15 rupees, 15 rupees plus 2 rupees, 17 rupees, 17 rupees plus 2 rupees coin, total 19 rupees. Now next last one is 15 rupees. So 15 rupees, 10 rupees plus 5 rupees, 15 rupees. Okay, thank you beta. Today our class is completed. Thank you.